What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here at Crypto Nation. Please, if you're new here, if you like the content, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button for post notifications, and let's get right on to it. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto asset. We have to do our own duty. At the end of the day, we're YouTube entertainers. Everything that I say is pretty much my opinion. Don't take it with a grain of salt. We got to do our own research. Anyways, let's get right on to it. So yeah, looking at doing a quick market update with BTC. There's Bitcoin right there, 25,700. Um, it looked like if Bitcoin is it's been in that 25,000 range, well, the high 25,000 is like between like $700 to $800. It's trying to make up its mind which direction it's going to go. But I'll say that if it could show some strength, maybe pump back up to like even like 27 and 28K, I believe that Bitcoin can make altcoins is really going to start flying, especially if Bitcoin can pump to like, 20 between 28 to like 30K. We're really going to start seeing altcoins really pumping again, like, you know, like 50 to 200%. Anyways, here, let's see here. Let me go here. Now, want to do that was a Bitcoin update. Now, I want to do a Jasmy coin update. There we go, Jasmy. It looked like Jasmy showing some strength. It's up 1.63%. This is this is the pairs right here. We got Jasmy USD and Jasmy USDT. Well, Jasmy, it looked like Jasmy is at 30.0037 or 37% of a penny. Yep, that's what's going on with that. So there's a lot of good news coming out with Jasmy. It's only going to be a matter of time, before Jasmy coin, break out. But we still, I believe next month in October, we're supposed to be hearing clarification and confirmation about the Q4 lockup. So until then, until I find out about what's going on with Q4 lockup, I'm not gonna fill up, refill up my bag until that happens. And also, though, we haven't heard nothing about the whole innovation zone. We haven't heard anything about that yet. So, I've been watching other YouTubers. A lot of people's making content about Jasmy Coin now, but I'm trying to find out myself, do my own research about the whole what happened with the whole innovation zone. Well, for me, those are the two main factors for me to even get back into Jasmy, the innovation zone and the Q4 lockup. So next from here in early October, we're supposed to be finding out about that. I don't know if they're going to make it public, or I'm quite sure there's things going on behind the doors between Japan, CZ, and everything. There's because all we know that now that they're talking about Jasmine blockchain and all that, so pretty much they're going to have their own ecosystem with the Web3 and the decentralization of data. So me personally, I already know what's going on with Jasmine. I was already covering Jasmine over a year before all these other content creators was talking about Jasmine. But I've been already talking about Jasmine. I even know how Jasmine coin moves, the price, the way it's price movements. But we all know, go back what happened when it got put in the innovation list. After that, Jasmine just pretty much went to sleep. Once they put it in the innovation zone, Jasmine didn't even pump. We didn't even see any more, like, even maybe we barely got like five, maybe 4 to 5% moves ever since then. But ever since when Jasmine got put in the innovation list about what 6, 7 months ago, Jasmine has pretty much been stagnant, went to sleep. It's like they just, CZ put it on hold. That was clearly price manipulation. I guess, by now, like I said this in previous videos, guys. If Jasmine Coin was never put in that innovation list, we probably would have been looking at by now, I'll say about 5 cents, maybe even up to 10 cents by now, if it was never put in the innovation list. We literally probably could have been between that 5 to 10 cents by now. Like I said, when I was covering Jasmine, dollar cost averaging for like over a year before, put it in, before it got put in the innovation list, and boom, there goes all my gains. All that dollar cost averaging and bag holding I did for over a year gone, just like that. Had I known that it was going to be put in that list, I would have already, sold and wait for it to go down, before I got back in. But it is what it is. But we got to, at the end of the day, we got to take control of our own crypto portfolios, because behind the scenes, the big money, they don't really care about us retail. We got to worry about ourselves. We got to, we got to do this a smart way. So when I get back in Jasmine, I'm just gonna Um, I'm just gonna get in, buy in all at once at about maybe by the time I'll probably get in Jasmine, it'll be in the 40s, maybe mid or late 40s of percent of a penny before I get in. Yeah, I'm going to get in the right time because my average was 0.0065 or 65% of a penny was my average. So I'm good to go. I'm not worried. Long as I get in under that price at 0.0065 of a penny, or 0.065% of a penny, I'm good. But most likely, I'm probably going to get in by the time it gets back up into the 40s, because by then, Jasmine's probably going to take off, once it gets to 0.0045. But, I'm just waiting for the right time. But, anyways, that's it for Jasmine. We all know what's going on. There's a lot of high expectations of Jasmine. It will, I do believe that Jasmine will hit at least bare minimum 50 cents next bull run. But I highly believe it has a lot of potential to hit a dollar. Like I said, if it hits a dollar, people's gonna be millionaires. There's some real bag holders, with Jasmine. Some people's holding like a couple of million, but my goal is just to get back when I get back in, is they try to have at least 800,000 to a million Jasmine. That's all I'm gonna need. If that hits 50 cents, hey, I'm good. Hey, I'm not a millionaire, but hey, I'm gonna be doing really nice at that at that point, at that moment. But yeah, so that's my Jasmine update. Now we're gonna go to SCI. Now this is the play that I'm currently in right now, SCI, and it's doing pretty good right now. It's been showing pretty good support at about it's been showing good support at between like 12 to 13 cents, but it's really been holding that support at about 12%. Is up to As you can see, is up 2.35% right now. But like I said, if Bitcoin can show somewhat, like just a little bit of strength, maybe if Bitcoin can pump up to, like I said, you know, if it can pump up at least between, like, 28 to 30K, we don't know when that's going to happen. Even if Bitcoin could pump back up between 27 to 30K, I believe that SCI coin is going to go parabolic. That's just what I believe. I could be wrong, but that's what I believe. It's ever since, when it first hit Coinbase several weeks ago, it went from a dollar to a penny. And, like I said, I missed that original run because I simply didn't know about the project. I simply didn't know about it. So I missed it. That would have been a lot of money. But hey, it is what it is. That's the crypto market. But then it came back down. It quickly came down. As it quickly came down, I slowly got in, and then my average is about, let me see. Yep, my average is I think about 18 or 19 cents is my average. I haven't really checked with the new Coinbase layout, but my average is between 18 and 19 cents. So anything over, I'll say 19 cents, I'll, I'll break even at 19 cents, but anything over 19 cents, I'll be in a profit. Anything over 19 cents. But I highly believe that SCI coin, it's going to be a matter of time before this thing pumps again. And I believe when it pumps again, I believe it can at least pump to like 40 to 50 cents. If this thing can pump between 40 to 50 cents, over the next, month or two or whatever, hey, I'm gonna be in the short term. I'm gonna be doing okay in the short term, and then at that point, I'm gonna go ahead and reload my Jasmy bag. This is how I'm gonna play this, guys. Wait for this to pump to 40 to 50 cents. Then after that, use that liquidity. Go ahead and refill. I'm going to refill my Jasmy bag, and then I'm still going to be holding this coin. And then for honestly, this coin, SCI coin, I believe this is for me. This is going to be the perfect swing trade play, and this is pretty much what I'm doing right now with this play. This is a short term, swing trade. I've been in this play for a few weeks now, but I'm holding this until it hits a certain price, and already have my exit strategy in SCI coin. My exit strategy is going to be between 30, depending on what market conditions. But my exit strategy is going to be between 30 to 50 cents. But I highly believe it's going to, in the near future, SCI coin is going to get up there. And I'm holding a pretty nice bag on this. I'm holding it right now. I'm holding about, let me see, I'm holding just over 13,000 coins of SCI coin. Yep, I'm holding a little bit over 13,000 coins. So yeah, if this can run up to like 13, 30 to 50 cents, I will be doing pretty good in the short term. Anyways, as you can see, guys, it's pumping right now. SCI coin is at It's up 3% right now. It's doing pretty good. You never know. Maybe in the next 24 hours, this thing can pump 50 to 100%. You never know. I would never leave it behind me. It's cryptocurrency. This thing is so uh, unpredictable, especially SCI coin. SCI coin, once it pumps, this thing is highly volatile. But yeah, guys, that's what's going on with that. And I'm trying to see, make sure I don't miss anything. Yep. So that's my coverage of Bitcoin, Jasmy, and SCI coin market update. That's my market update for right now. And as of right now, Bitcoin is at 25,700 and $1.54. Hey, I just want to say, hey, I got to get ready and get out of here. Hey, thanks for tuning in, for the market update. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. It's totally free, and that'll help me, help out the algorithm. But yeah, go ahead and comment below. Tell me what you think. Hey, what positions are you guys in right now? What is you guys' market can prediction? In the short term over the next week or two, over the next couple of weeks, what's going to be you guys' market prediction. Okay, hey, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.